Hey traders, David Frost, LazyGapTrader.com. In this video, I'm going to show you two examples of morning gap trades from this morning that worked out picture perfect. One of them, the stock was down over 30% and we nailed the bottom to the exact penny. How do we do this? With a gap trading strategy that is by far the single most consistent and profitable day trading strategy you're going to find across the markets today. Here's what it is. When stocks are gapping higher or lower at the open, and this is from where they closed the prior trading day, it creates opportunity. Day traders need opportunity. We need stocks that are moving in order to find the opportunity where we can put profits in our pocket. The stocks gapping higher or lower each and every morning create that opportunity. So what I do is teach a gap trading strategy where traders learn everything they need to know in order to trade the gaps successfully. What criteria do we look for? How much of a gap higher or lower do we look for at a bare minimum? How much volume do we need to see on these stocks that are gapping higher or lower? When do you take the specific trades? How do you take the specific trades? And most importantly, how do you calculate the specific price where these stocks will be drawn to like a magnet and have a price reaction from in the other direction? All that and a whole lot more is taught in my course at LazyGapTrader.com. We're going to go over two of these charts specifically in a minute. You can see one of them on the screen, MTSI. This is the one that was down over 30% where we nailed it to the penny. I'm going to explain more detail about this trade in a minute. But first, I want to go over the other thing I do is give traders an opportunity to get my gap trade sent to them each and every morning at 9 o'clock a.m. Eastern Standard Time, 30 minutes before the markets even opened for business. Here's a copy of the exact email that went out this morning. As you can see, it arrived at 9:02 a.m. and that's Eastern Standard Time. This morning, we had 6 potential gap trades on the board. Now, in order to be successful with this strategy, we only take the trades that hit the specific price targets that we calculate. If they don't hit the price target, we don't want the trade. It's off the board. So far today, 2 of these stocks hit their price targets. The first one was JKS. Gap lower, support levels are $18.34 and $17.17. Stop and profit target is about 25 to 45 cents. These are minimum profit targets. I'll discuss more about that when we go back to the charts. The second one that hit its price target today was MTSI. Gap lower, support levels are $20.51 and $17.01. Stop and profit target is about 30 to 55 cents. Again, it's a minimum profit target. Traders need opportunity in the morning. I'm giving you opportunity in black and white. We're back taking a look at the chart of MTSI. Yesterday, the stock closed all the way up at $30.36. The stock was getting absolutely creamed at the open. The level identified, the price level that you saw in the email a second ago, was $20.51. Now, by the way, these are the same price levels that any trader that's taken the course at LazyGapTrader.com is able to calculate on their own. It's a very straightforward strategy. And look what happened. Within the first 5-minute candle of the day, the stock made a low of $20.51 on the button. Just minutes later, the stock was at a high of $22.02 for about a $1.50 bounce higher off that level given out at 9 o'clock a.m. before the market even opened for trading. That's over a 7% gain in 15 minutes of trading. And that's where the minimum profit targets come in. In my course, there's an entire video module where traders learn how to take some of the profit along the way and turn these trades into risk-free, emotionless trades, allowing us to squeeze the most profit possible out of these trades on the way back up. The other thing you want to note about this is how important the $20.51 level is to this stock. While the stock came into that level in the first 5 minutes of the trading day, had a rally off that level, it came back to that level to test it again and bounced right off of it again, as you can see on the chart. That goes to show you the importance of that level, and this is precisely what traders learn how to calculate on their own in the course at Lazy Gap Trader. The second trade today was JKS, Jinko Solar. The stock closed yesterday at $20.35. The stock was getting a nice little haircut at the open, qualifying for one of our morning gap trades. The stock came into the $18.34 level, traded through it by just a few pennies, but well within our stop loss limitation as outlined in the email and also as taught in the course. As you can see, the stock found support in and around that level, and then the stock made a rally higher, making a high of $18.81 for a 47-cent bounce off an $18.34 entry price. That's a fantastic scalp trade. And when you add this to the other trade in MTSI, another successful gap trading morning. Here's the other thing I want to note. With this gap trading strategy, traders learn why these stocks are attracted to and supported by these price levels. What that does is it gives them an added confidence when trading because they have a certain expectation of what's going to happen when stocks come into these price levels. It removes the guesswork away from trading. When you have a certain expectation of where a stock should find support, it gives you a different type of confidence level when entering these trades because you expect these price levels to act as support. When you remove guesswork and add back in confidence, you change your approach to trading and you become a profitable trader. You can learn everything there is to know about how to trade the gaps successfully by coming over to check out the course at lazygaptrader.com. This is a strategy that you can use each and every day for the remainder of your trading career. I'm David Frost, Lazy Gap Trader. Thanks for tuning in, folks.